was a season no one thought to name, until it was gone. We build rooms without weather, windows that never open, days that look the same, no matter what the trees were doing. Morning still arrived, we simply stopped arriving with it. Nothing was taken, nothing was stolen. Little by little, comfort became our landscape, and silence became something to be filled. This is no punishment. It is simply what happens when we stop noticing. Forgotten season never ended, we only stopped walking through it.